Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Olaoluwa. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a PayPal account that receive and send money out. It's not even of a news that there's some country in Africa or some other continent out there that people are not allowed to receive money. You can only send money out, but you can't receive money. So if you're a freelancer just like me, or a business person who does business and always receive money, or you even want to send money out and you want to use PayPal, so PayPal is actually one of the most popular and the most used payment platform in the whole world. So if you actually want to be receiving money and sending money out in Africa like Nigeria or some other country which PayPal is not allowed, so in this studio I'm going to be showing you how to do that, how you can receive money from PayPal and even send money out without any problem. I've tried this and it has really worked for me. So basically what we're going to be doing is that we are going to be walking through step by step how to create the PayPal account that send and receive money. So I have an account already which I'm using to receive funds, so I'm going to be creating a fresh account which you guys can always work you can always go through with me as I do it, and try this on your mobile phone or on your desktop, and you get exact results which I get. So if this is your first time on this channel, my name is Olaoluwa. On this channel I teach you guys how to develop and grow your brand, the things you can always do on your own to grow your business as an individual or as a brand. So I have a lot of videos on my channel which I teach you guys how to make money as well. So I would like you guys to subscribe to this channel if you are new, and kindly subscribe by hitting the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video just like this, and also like and share this video as well, so as to reach out to more people who want to learn how to do this. So guys, let's dive into today's video. So just like we see here, this is paypal.com, and basically if you're browsing from anywhere, just like I'm in Nigeria right here, so if I go through paypal.com, it's going to redirect to PayPal in my country. So just like you can see here, it has PayPal ng.home. So if you click on this personal here, what you can only see here is that you can only send, you can only pay, and these are the only options you have here. You don't have anything like receive payment, which is supposed to be one of the option here, but because some countries in Africa and some other countries as well, which is not even Africa, has been banned from using PayPal to receive payment, so they can only send money out but they can't receive. So that is the cause of this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to receive payment as well on PayPal. So if you're a business person or a freelancer who wants to receive payment from any platform in the whole world, so and you want to use PayPal and PayPal is not allowed in your country, so this video is basically meant for you guys. So I need you to stay with me as I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. So this is what we are going to be doing today. So right now we are not going to be using this paypal.com/ng, which is Nigeria here. So what we are going to be using is that we are going to be registering our PayPal account in another country entirely. So every information we are going to be putting there is going to be genuine or the Nigerian. If you are in Nigerian, your document registration and all of that has to be Nigeria. So what we are going to just be doing is that we are going to be creating the account in another country entirely. So what we are going to be doing right now is that we are going to open a new tab and just type in PayPal. So instead of paypal.com straight, you are going to be adding something called AE. So this is actually Arab Emirates. So that means we are using PayPal in another country which is Arab Emirates. So what we are going to just do is to go straight to paypal.com/AE. So with that, you are in another country, you are browsing from another country entirely. So right now when you click on this personal here, just like I did here, you see that here you can see the option that send payments and get paid, you see. But right here on this Nigeria now, we can only pay online and send payments, but right here we can get paid. we can get paid. Anybody can pay us on this platform here, right here. So this is basically from another country entirely. And even business, there are some other options. You can accept payments, you can do different kind of thing like a business person, so you can accept payments. So this is basically different from you browsing from Nigeria, on which you can only send but can't receive. So what you want to do right now is to go ahead and click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, you are going to have these two options. So are you creating a personal account or you are creating a business account? So right now, because of the purpose of this video, so we are going to be creating a business account, because in a business account you can accept payments, you can send invoice to customer for them to pay you. So what we are going to be doing is to click on business accounts, then go ahead, click on continue. So when you click on continue, you're going to be shown another page entirely. So on this page, this is where you're going to be putting the information about your business. So I guess my network is kind of slow. So right here, you're asked to sign up for a business account. Don't forget, we're using a business account, we are not using an individual. So if you're a freelancer, you can go ahead and put every detail about your business. So I'm going to go ahead and put the information about my business. So on your own, you can do this and put your own rightful information. Don't use anything fake. Make sure you use your right information, so because this is going to help you. So I'm going to create my account right now. So I'm going to create my account here. So make sure you create a strong password and always save so that you don't forget what you use. So I'm going to go ahead and save my password. So right here, I need to put my business information. So here you don't need to put anything so illegal. So just try to put your legal business information. So right here, I'm going to put my my business information right here. So on your own, just try to put the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and put every required information. So here that we say business phone number. Don't forget we are registering in another country entirely, but don't panic about this. You can always put your country. I'm using from Nigeria, so I can go ahead and search for Nigeria. Nigeria is part of it here, so I'm just going to put my phone number here. So go ahead and put my phone number. So my address, so I'll just put my information right here. So don't forget, this has to be changed to Abu Dhabi, so just change this to Abu Dhabi or any country here. So just go ahead. The currency, make sure it's in US dollar, because you want to receive payments as US from US. So now the next thing is to click on agree and continue. So go ahead and fill every required information. So right now is asking me what type of business am I doing. So I'm just going to put individual, so proprietorship. So just go ahead and put okay, let me just change this into something else, corporation, and just put this right. So product, so into IT information service. So I'm just, if you don't have a website, this is optional, so you can go ahead and put your website if you have a website. So this doesn't really mean anything. So if you don't have, it's not a problem. So because I have, I'm going to put it right here. So let's go ahead and put the necessary information. So this is going to ask some information about you. So just go ahead, put every necessary information required here. So nationalities, right here you can find your country here as well. So I'm just going ahead to put my country, identification number. So right here they are asking me for my identification number. So if you're in Nigeria or any country, you should have this identity. So you can always put your national ID number, passport or driver license. So I'm going to put my national ID here. So on your own, just try to put every information required for you to get it started. So I'm going to put my own information right here. So you on your own, go ahead and put your own information too. So this is same as the above, so just go ahead and save the information. So when you do that, you're going to be shown another page entirely. So right here our account has been set up. So as you can see right here, welcome to PayPal Commerce Platform, where you find tools that can help you to grow and succeed. So as you can see right here, it's telling you that we want to confirm that this information in your PayPal account is accurate as some social activities in your account. So what do you actually want to do? They actually want to verify your account. So some information will be asked here so that you can use to verify your account. So just go ahead and click this. So you see right here it's asking me to put all of this. So I need to upload my ID to verify my account. So I'm just going ahead to upload my ID, and I'm going to do that right now. So on your own you can do this. So I'm going to do all of this after this video. So on your own you can try and do that on your own. So I'm just going to go back home and explain some things to you on your own. Just make sure that you provide every necessary information. So after this I need to confirm my email address. So this is very important. So I see details here. So right here an email has been sent to my account. So I'm going to go ahead to my email to confirm it. So I already received the email here. So it's asking me why we're asking for more information. So complete information now. So just going ahead to confirm my email address. So I have this email here to confirm my email address. So I'm just going to click on confirm email. So I'm going to put my details again just to confirm my email address. So this is very straightforward. I hope you guys followed through this, as this is going to help you to receive money from PayPal anywhere in the whole world. So this is going to verify my email address. So right now my email address has been verified. So the next thing I need to do right now is to link my debit or credit card. So this is one of the most important part of this, because when you receive money from PayPal anywhere, you want to transfer the money to your local currency, to your local account here. So what you want to do is that you just click on see details right here, and this is going to take you to a page whereby you're going to be linking your account. So we have two options here. So is either if you have a credit card, you can always link your credit card. If you have a bank account, so you can always do this. So just in case, you can click on this link a bank account. So there's some information which you need to provide right here. So just like here, they're asking you what kind of accounts are you using, savings accounts. So this IBAN number, every bank has this, so you need to go to your bank and request for this information. Is always free, though I don't know why the banks don't usually give us this information except we request for it. So you just need to go ahead and ask for this IBAN number. So when your bank give you these details, you are just going to put this number right here, and after you put this number, you can now insert your phone number in this account. So when you do that, you can easily link your bank. And if you don't want to use this, if you have a US bank account number, so recently I make a video on how to create a Payoneer account, how to create a US or UK bank account, so you can go ahead and watch that. So with this, you have a UK or US account number. So this my previous video, I explained how to create a UK or US account using Payoneer. So by default, when you create these accounts, you have a US and UK account, so you can go ahead and put that that's the information right here. So you can put that account number and the routing number here, and this is going to link to your bank. So immediately you receive fund, this will be transferred to your US account number, and you can easily transfer it to your bank account number very easier. So this is very simple for you to do. So I hope you take note of this, as this is going to help you to receive payment from PayPal anywhere in the whole world. So right now I'm done verifying my email address, and I'm going to put my own details as well. So you guys should go ahead and request your IBAN number from your bank. So I'm going to explain how this stuff work out here. So right here you see we have three this thing here. Under here we have PayPal balance. So right here I don't have any amount because this is a fresh account. So right here, take for instance somebody send money to me, so I can send or request money. So I can easily send money to anybody, and as well I can request for money here, money in. So here I can send payments, and as well I can receive payments. So this is very useful for anybody who is a freelancer or a business person. So if you are requesting money for anything, just click on this request money, as this is going to take you to another page whereby you are going to set up how you want to get paid from. So your money will be sent to your account right here, and from here you can transfer it to your personal account or your US account, then transfer to your personal account here, so you guys can always go ahead and fill in this information. That this is very straightforward for you to do. So kindly go ahead and do all of this. This is very simple. This interface is very easier for you to do. You can go ahead, create an invoice for your company. So when you put this invoice, put it in how much you want to request from the customer. So when you do this, the customer can always pay you directly using this invoice, and you're going to receive your money inside your account here, and from here you can take it to your local account, your bank account, and you receive your money in your account immediately, as simple as that. So this is basically how you can create a PayPal account that works anywhere, even if it has been flagged off in your country. So kindly go ahead and create a PayPal account that receive and send money out on your own today. So thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you find this video very interesting for you on how to create a PayPal account that receive fund even if it has been flagged off in your country or any country you are out there. So with this trick, you can always create a PayPal account for yourself that receive money. So just like I said you just only, instead of you going through PayPal account straight, you just need to add paypal.ae to your browser, and this is going to take you to another country entirely. So I've been using this to receive funds so far. So I hope you guys can go ahead and try this, as this is going to help you fast track your business and make things easier for everybody. So guys, thank you for joining me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I drop another amazing video just like this. And like this video, also share it so as to reach out to more people who might want to learn how to do this on their own. So guys, thank you, and stay tuned to join me on another video very soon. Thank you guys. Thank you.